Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so troubleshooting is targeted. Turn off airplane mode and ensure cellular data or Wi-Fi is enabled. You need connectivity options active. Once done, restart your phone and the modem or router and wait 30 to 60 seconds. This clears transient glitches. Make sure to glance at signal bars and any carrier outage alerts because if the provider is down, local fixes won't help. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router to rule out range issues. Once basic restarts fail, dive into the phone's network settings to isolate causes. Reset network settings to restore Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular defaults. This removes corrupted configs. Next, toggle preferred network modes. Switch between 5G, LTE, and 3G because incompatible bands can drop service. Check APN entries for correct carrier parameters and reinsert the SIM to ensure good contact. Trying another SIM confirms if the issue. You finish by applying any remaining system and carrier settings updates because patches often fix modem and signal bugs. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm account provisioning, check nearby cell towers, or request a remote SIM refresh. These steps resolve many backend issues. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up your data since corrupted system files can break connectivity. If you still see problems, one key troubleshooting tip. Test the phone with a known good SIM and test another phone with your SIM to isolate device versus service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.